I have no headache. I am my usual self. I am absolutely normal. I went through the same thing when the process of choosing a girl from me was going on. I was having the same embarrassment when the things were going same in my life, but I don't think that that could be the reason of your present condition. I don't think that you are really having some idea regarding some girl in your mind. Ranga stared at me. Come, let us go and see the Shastri. Maybe some stars are not favorable, I suggested. We will find out whether Guru or Shani are favorable for you or not. Ranga accompanied me without any protest. He is just an obedient child. He agreed to accompany me. We will find out. So, as soon as Shastri saw me, he explained, what a surprise, Shyama. Haven't seen you for a long time. Shyama is none other than your servant, the narrator of the story. I got angry and shouted because I simply forgot that I came here. What? Only this morning? I wanted to explain that in the morning I came to you and discussed about Ranga. Shastri completed my sentence. He just handled the situation very smartly. Yes, only this morning you finished all your work and are now free to visit me. Had he not done so, I would have ruined our plan. Everything was going to be a flop show if he has not taken care of all these things by bursting like grains that are kept in the sun to dry. I was extremely careful of what I said afterward. Afterward, everything spoken by me was taken care of. Each and every word was very carefully spoken. Shastri turned to Ranga. When did the young son of our accountant clerk come home? When did you come back? What can I do for him? Is very rarely he visits us. Take your paraphernalia, that's his material, your books and all that. Our Rangappa seems to have something on his mind. He's having some trouble, some tension in the mind. So can you tell us what is worrying him? What is the problem? Shall we put your science of astrology to the test? Let us have a test what your astrology can predict. There was authority in my voice as I spoke to Shastri. He took out 2 sheets of paper, some queries and a book of palmyra leaves, saying, arts is an ancient science, Aya. There is a story to it, but I won't tell you that story now. This is not a, we can say, a Hari Katha where you include all the stories one after another. You may get bored. I'll let you know some other time. Shastri moved his lips as fast as he could, as if he was just counting something. What is your star? Ranga didn't know. Never mind. Shastri indicated with a shake of his head, and he did some more calculation before saying in a serious tone, it's about a girl. After making calculation, he is told that there is something about a girl. I had been controlling my laughter because everything was tutored. It was a plan answer, so I was not able to control my laughter all this while, but now I burst into laughter. I turned to Ranga, exactly what I had said. You are thinking about a girl. Who is the girl? It is your humble servant, the narrator of the story, who asked this question. Shastri thought for a while before replying. She probably has the name of something found in ocean. You can find so many things in the ocean. It may be a kamla, it may be what you can say a flower of kamal, could be a pachis which you call fungus, moss. Must it be moss or not kamla? Why not pearl? Some beads or ratna, the precious stone. Ratna. The girl in Ramara's house is Ratna. She is the named as Ratna. So tell me, is there any chances of our negotiation if we go to discuss regarding the marriage? Will they agree? Definitely, he said. After thinking for some time, there was surprise on Ranga's face. There were 2 reasons. Firstly, he was interested to get her married, but secondly, he was told that she was married and some happiness. I noticed it, but the girl is married, I said. Then I turned to him. His face had fallen. Once again, there was a lost expression. I don't know all that. There may be some other girl who is suitable. I only told you what our Shastra indicates. Shastri said. We left the place. On the way, we paused by Rama Rao's house. Ratna was standing at the door. I went in alone and came out a minute later. Oh my God, surprising. This girl isn't married. It seems someone told me the other day that she was. So she is not married. What Shastri told us has turned out to be the true after all. But Rangappa, I can't believe that you have been thinking about her. Swear on the name of Madhvacharya. Say by the name of God. Swear it and tell me Is that true what Shastri said? I don't know whether anyone else would have been direct, straightforward, but Ranga admitted. He said, yes, there is greater truth in that Shastra than we imagine. What he has said is absolutely true. Shastri was at the well when I went there that evening. I said, so Shastringale, you repeated everything I taught you without giving any rise to suspicion. Nobody was able to guess that all these answers were told to you beforehand. What a marvelous Shastra yours is. He didn't like it at all. What are you saying? What I said to me was I could have found out myself from the Shastra. Don't forget, I developed on the hints you had given me. You just give me the hints, idea, whatever was the result that I have taken out from my Shastra. Tell me, is this what a decent man say? Rangappa had come the other day to invite me for the dinner. What is the occasion? I asked. It is Shyama's birthday. He is 3. Ranga and Ratna got married. They were blessed with a son and he is turned 3. Ratna is second time pregnant and this is the third birthday of their child. So they have come to invite. Ranga has come to invite the narrator. It is not nice name, Shyama, I said. I am like a dark piece of the oil cake. Why did you have give that golden child of yours such a name? I told you in the story, it is an English custom to name the child by the name of the character, some narrator, some film actor, some sports star. You are impressed so much. What a childish couple of you are, Ratna and you. I know. It is the English custom of naming the child after someone you like. Your wife is 8 months pregnant now. Who is there to help your mother to cook? My sister has come with her. I went there for dinner. Shyama rushed to me when I walked in and put his arms around my leg. I kissed him on his cheeks and placed a ring as a birthday present on his tiny little finger. Allow me to leave. Take your leave, readers. I am always there to serve you. You are not bored, I hope. It was an interesting, a social story it was, and they were living a happily married life. So we have come to know about importance of education in life after going through the chapter. Then in the previous time it was the time of arranged marriages. So concept of marriage, understanding between the couple, and how to respect and regard the elders. That is what we have come to learn out of this chapter. Thank you. Have a nice day.